You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely pidgin.
Alright, my people, we don't come again with another Ogbonge show. And this Ogbonge show, we want look road matter. Round Edo State, the 18 local government of Edo State, we go look the road matter. Now make me stand up with my co-anchor when we'll look the matter together. When in name, na Ege Nosa. Welcome.
Well then, you want to begin talk about roads for Edo State. You know, say, na dragging matter, na road matter be. You know, with road and light, better thing go shell big time for any community where person day. But I make I ask you, where you pass reach here? Where be your house? Where be the direction?
No, where I pass come, we'll look that matter today. So no need for you to ask me.
No, when you say road matter, where you pass reach work?
Now Benin-Agbor road I pass reach work.
I hear say that place bad well.
No, na landlord ties.
What more discuss the better thing where government do for them?
We'll first discuss. Now sapele road you pass come I be.
There be more block on this morning, but later I can't hear say they open now. So when I go do my findings, I can't hear say they say the contractors they return back to site. So now make the Sabash people, the community people who form Sabash, also make they begin watch them whether truly they go return to site.
Okay.
So I see road pass for east side, corner, peanuts, go come out for where I feel navigate reach office for
okay,
here.
no be the major road you
No,
pass.
that major road, you know, and not be waiting person if you talk again.
You should say political undertone, no data reconstruction now.
The question, the kind of question where they ask me, not be they put signboard.
And they put some.
And that one define the political undertone.
Last week you they come from Lagos, Ada Isoko Bridge and Ovia Bridge.
When I they go Lagos, I spend some time for Lagos well. When I they go it bad, not be small. Even I come meet accident there. Even I meet one Sienna, where fall for inside the Ovia River.
But nobody there.
According to the people who want bring the people come out, they say they need money to take bring the people inside the motor, inside water come out. That's the deputy governor. As deputy reach there, he can't transfer 1 million naira to them. They can't bring the people, me they pass. So as they come now, the Isoko Bridge, the palliative where government do for them, you know, government.
Which of the
local government, they, state, they, and federal government. They say one Dennis Idaosa for House of Rep, where they represent of their federal constituency, he don't carry the matter for National Assembly for House of Reps. Bring up the matter, they don't bring palliative corner place. As we they come now, we pass them well.
Okay, no be say they want do am.
No, they don't. With what I see, it better pass aside they go Lagos.
Okay, they don't do one for the Isoko Bridge
Bridge
and the Ovia.
And the Ovia Bridge. I don't know say that there be Isoko Bridge. Now whether they walk now see somebody say Isoko Bridge and they pass they go Lagos. Me not get money to buy ticket for flight. So now granted they always they follow.
So it be like say Edo State now they don't come up for the road matter.
And with waiting a year, the signboard when I see, it not indicate Edo State government. But I believe the Edo people they pass that Ovia Road and Isoko Bridge, they happy small now.
Okay, we don't hear say people they pass Ovia and Isoko Bridge and those way they Sapele Road they go soon they happy. We want to thank the Honorable Idausa Dennis when he help us for that Ovia and Isoko. And the people want to return to site for Sapele Road, we say make una quick. Now make us come. We want to look the matter today when it concern Benin-Agbor Road. Now that matter I carry come. Anytime I pass that place, my body go just scatter. Some people would say that road they don't abandon her. I even watch one video where people go to catch fish inside the water when they decide. Another road they use, they go every day. Some people say na state road. Some say na federal road. Yes, na federal road, but state they carry tax for there every day.
What now? You see, this state and federal government matter. I believe the word when Umahi talk that they say, if you not feel reach me on time, text messages, WhatsApp message to they work. And that is why we they wait make Edo State governor. Umahi na a friend.
Yes, they do governor.
They do governor. They be friends. Are you getting me? He's supposed to write a message through WhatsApp since to tell us say, oh boy, roads in and out to my state nowhere good, especially to the city.
No, official something. No fit write am for WhatsApp.
No, the man say since the official they had, make he use text
No,
message. He say if na ordinary text message,
No,
he go acknowledge him.
No, our governor today learned,
Sophisticated,
yes, to send for official matter. You go to send text message or WhatsApp.
Maybe they make a never
No, I no fit do that kind of one. So any day they go Abuja, he go write the letter, then he
you go submit am.
He go submit.
Like wait, maybe the reason why still they had be say na rainy season. If he submit am now, they not start work for rainy season. Maybe na dry season, won't submit the letter.
Okay.
According to you.
Yes, I know. Just before we just enter the Benin-Agbor road finish, just help us chook mad for the federal roads when he just ran the Edo State.
You just be like say you dey carry injury, they put for injury.
No,
again.
just tell us so that people go know some of the federal
no federal road again.
Benin-Agbor get federal road now.
I said no federal road again. You see, if we begin to talk about these roads, if as I be now, Bini, Aunchi, Okene, Lokoja, Abuja Road, they are more than reached like about 3 contractors that time.
Yes, I know 2. I feel remember 2.
So Dantata
and Mother Cat.
Mother Cat and Sawo. You get one name. You get one
name.
You get one name.
We do that front of Awuchi school.
Let me ask you one question. Now, part of the contractors where they give the Benin houses to a hall. Now you do Ramat Park to Adowawa.
Yes, I know. You call the contractor name.
I don't know him again.
ROCC.
Okay. Now you do that road.
Yes.
Good. Now, part of the contractor, now you reach Egba, Expander, Egba Junction.
Yes.
Igwovobo, Expander. Go stop for where they kidnap people where. That is Obadan Junction. And then it is stop. The contractor will carry from Ramat Park Junction. Now they carry to a hall. I believe some other contractor will carry from a hall, Uhi Junction. Now they carry to through Ekboma to Aunchi. Then another one from Aunchi for J2 Junction. Go carry on from there. Enter Ukbila. From Ukbila, enter to Okene. Okene, they go Lokoja.
Obajana Junction.
Obajana Junction. So you're saying, I say, why be say contractor do it from INEC area, Federal Secretariat area, WAEC area, EBS area, NTA area? They do that place. Wait till make them stop for Obada Junction. From Obada Junction, they go Aunchi, no road again. You see, the thing they pay me, if we begin to talk Benin-Aunchi road, that one a road where we say, the day play no function for 1 week. I believe say our big oga them. If they follow Aunchi road, they go know where the poor man they suffer. Okay. Especially before Irwekme Junction go reach Ekpoma. Now death trap. In fact, if you say death trap, it be like common language for Nigeria now. So Benin-Aunchi road to, you see, if you see Ring Road, they call it King Square.
Yes.
Now copyright from Germany via doctors Osagbobo Ogbemudia of blessed memory. That's Sam Ogbemudia. Then the architect, the engineer where did the matter that na engineer Engineer Oba. Now we get that ring road. Now we call it internal ring road. Bypass now outer ring road. And this one our children don't know for school again. Then they can say about 6 major roads come out for ring road. The 6 major roads now federal roads. Sapele Road, it come out from ring road.
Yes, 1.
Agbor Road down Chi Road, it come out from ring road. 2. Then Lagos Akure Road, it come out from a B-way to ring road. How many be that?
3.
4.
4 now.
Bini Abraka Delta Road, it come out for upper. 5. I think this road where they go gele where we put hand, this is a federal project did that down before you take C. We they look at like federal road. But if we not agree on a federal road, the last one I waiting I go remember. Are you getting me? If we get Akure Road and Lagos Road now 2, Aunchi Road and Agbor Road 4. Upper Road, Abraka Road 5. Sapele Road 6.
I beg.
And that 6, wait and that 6 where would they look so? All of them come out for the city where our governor, they clear, make hold up, they paint, make it beauty, they arrange, make it, because when they say governor say, or government, the state government say, federal road and state road not be the same, that they're not allowing him walk. All these roads, where we they talk about, so, ticket driver, they buy ticket. You go front of central bank, if not the state government or the federal government, they put wood for road, they stop people, they collect money from them. And these people go also past that major road to assist Edo indigenes to come ring road. So you're saying, I say, these 6 roads, major roads come out from city. So you see where we say state government interest supposed to be federal road.
All right, state, if I give a chance, you know how it go be. Now, our Tori people don't carry waka enter the Benin-Agbor road, and people say that they spend 9, they for hold up there around 9, they'll come out there around 2. The road, now me the pass come, so I know the road, now the pass they come walk. The road, now right off. I might just analyze the road from you. From Agbor Park, you go see depot. From depot, you go see Christ choosing. From Christ choosing, you go see Amufi. From Amufi, you can see boundary when it be equal between the Ikpobaoka and Uwon there. You go see. And from there, if you go front, you go see bypass. From now, I just give you from the depot, reach the bypass, reach Okware, no road again.
My brother, see, you don't need to ask me question. You don't need to tell me. Make we take out from Guinness, Arewele Western Boys. You'll see and say from that place, reach place like Ilobe filling station of those days.
Yes.
Opposite Kia Motors.
When it become
Maria
now.
Pure Water.
When it become
and they call, yes, when it become here now. Maria Pure Water, UBA Bank. And they do it like this. Are you getting me? When I will come like this, and they go back to Agbor Park. If you see Amas Oye those days, it's the opposite
the main Agbor Park.
When you go from small, you see Jemok. If you see Jemok, you see
Tony D.
Tony D. My brother, before we reach the place where Badje where we're so, as at years ago, that road not demotorable. Now hold up. Because of the road can become tiny. This one a federal government road. When it be say, Edo state communities can't develop past the reach the road. Are you getting me? Now, when I the hear one story say, federal roads say, concern state roads. If state roads, state government face internal streets, work on them. You see, I say majority of these people they go they navigate through streets.
Yes.
They'll begin from there.
We even here a few months ago when whenever get local government chairman,
yes,
when the state governor can't even say some liaison officer they allow some big truck,
yes,
who were not supposed to pass state road, go to pass state road.
When they take finish a Fuze road, all those areas for a donut. Let me tell you something, my brother. Let's not deceive ourselves. Years ago, this place is where I count just now. It don't they close.
Yes.
Development, not the what Shomeleni come that time, he pack all of them go inside. If you go down Agbor Road, you'll see all of them be go inside. He remove all the streets, encroachment to the major roads.
That encroachment too big.
You remember I said before they do this outer ring road when they call bypass. Ekene Dili Chukwu and the young. If case not take it, they even jam people that time. They'll say hits. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Now major roads.
Luxurious
buses. Now we don't reach depot. Depot. Now NAPC. Now they control them. Depot now to decongest refinery for Warri and refinery for depot Warri. Warri get refinery. It costs to get depot. Now here, then be central point where they take product to take from their depot to make reservation to distribute to part of Ore, part of Akure, part of Owo, part of Okene, part of Lokoja, then part of Furniture. Now here people they carry for at that time. So you're saying I say beneath depot on a central point where we say people from different states, other areas they carry product. As that NNPC depot die, the major roads, which is an NNPC trucks, now they destroy the roads that time. We don't know say the roads don't even tire for itself because even federal government don't know how to construct, not talk about how to maintain. Because at the year say they get FEMA. What do you mean of FEMA? Federal waiting.
Road Maintenance Agency.
Now signpost now we they see.
No. FEMA they active.
Okay.
They active for Edo State. So no say now only signpost they see that they active. and they talk say they don't ready to work for the dry season. So when they talk say FEMA no dey active, I no like am.
Abeg, you go fit tell me the last dry season before this rainy season where FEMA work, where be say na im make the road not come spoil well. Federal roads not come spoil well.
One of the now the reason why FEMA no work too much at that time, you know, saying at that time we get money crisis for the country, so they no come see money give them they work.
Okay, no problem. Well, now you they talk to people, they go listen to you. But what they tell you now, say now only signpost. Now they say about FEMA. Make I leave that area. Now you said something from depot.
Yes, to acquire.
And let's say bypass for Agbor Road. But if you remember, that's bridge, that what's it called? Flyover. You don't say get problem.
Yes, now.
Good. Now, you see, say when I begin to see the road from depot, Christ choosing, Christ apostolic, those now landmarks when I feel use. Amufi Junction.
Yes, that's school when they call Peace Trinity.
Okay, thank you.
Equa.
Thank you.
All those schools when they along the road there.
You see the way the roads then be. It got to a point, Guinness warehouse for Guinness, where their trucks they go park. It can't be saying a road. Now they call park because road not there. Are you getting me? So you're saying I say the road bad. It not just bad. Sapele Road the lane where Agbor Road dey. If I say Agbor Road, people say Delta State. Benin-Agbor Road. Sapele Road the lane. You see, when I listen to the way people they cry for that road, it pay me. But the question they ask me say, buses where they run that area. Now this state will get road players, road train, what they call them? Road train.
We get road train. We
get National Union of Road Transport Workers, where Chief Odiolaye they control.
Yes.
Abi?
Yes.
And these people they collect money from these tuke drivers
every day. And these bus drivers and taxi drivers, they run this road. Still they manage to buy fuel or diesel. They carry people from Amufi, Okwae, before Okwae get the community. Iguamo.
Iguamo. You get one other one who promised school day. Ikweniro. Then they see go that side. They go bring passengers to Ring Road. Then you see collect ticket from these drivers. Then the BB trucks where the people there where they charge of that one. Then they collect money from these people. And at the end of the day, state government go say federal roads not concern them. People they bring food come from north. Then they pass these bad roads. Tomato, pepper, onion, yam, beans, fertilizer. And once they bet for Lagos Street or New Benin or anywhere where the last bus stop, they'll still collect ticket money from them. Where this money they go? Why will they put pains in the lives of these people when we not give them their amenities? We not give them what they want for the road. Death traps everywhere.
No, the way you talk, the Edo State governor come out, talk say, you remember say, him be they go Abba Festival for Akoko Edo.
Yes.
We no see road pass. He can't come back.
According to anything he talk.
Yes, according to what he talk.
We not record them.
No.
We not there.
No. No, the governor no, he not get capacity to lie.
Okay.
He can't talk say, make the EPAM beg federal government make the Alara do state road. Now you they talk say he said the road no. He consign and I make a show.
Uma you not reply.
Which day we come here? We bring Sabak come this our office. They talk say even the state governor be big contractors come Sapele Road, but they drive they go back. You day when Sabak use the mouth to take confirm. Yeah. So why you call it? Say the state governor no get he no show interest. If you not show interest, if you not they talk about him.
You say governor say if they go about festival.
Yes, he talk him.
The people will go wait for that side. They don't see road pass.
I'm not sure say people don't go.
The people, the children where they go school for Edo University, they don't see road pass.
And then they maneuver.
Deputy governor where they pass, they go on all the time. Where would they say and say they jump up and down for that side? Either party or project this thing or Taro of our chief visit or Ogenani of Zarwe. I tell they pass the road go that side. The time where they said that they campaign for a donut. All the local government where they visit for that side for 2 days. Where governor pass reach there? Answer me now before continue.
He pass get one corner. He pass through all those Ifon Akure enter. All those Ifon, you know that road enter.
Okay, pass and enter.
Yes.
So the road not lead to Aba Festival for Igara.
No, you know why use another person's state to enter his state again.
Ayona. What are people they go? Commissioner will come interview for you. Wait till pass go Akure though.
And I don't know. I know.
Taiwa Kerele will be second studio. Wait till pass reach the former chief of staff. Where he pass?
Now the road they pass.
The people in his attend that event, one day event, where they pass?
Now the road they pass.
Oh, so why be say call hard governor?
No, he say in turn back. Say don't they go in turn back.
He said no let him pass.
Let me they tell you.
Now the answer say why let him pass during the dry season for this local government campaign where it just end last month.
No, wait till me they try to tell you. The governor they show interest.
See, if we they talk here, we they educate the public and they carry information to the public. You say now you bring her come.
Yes, now he talk am.
You say governor say if they go about festival.
Yes.
In no see road pass for Benin-Agbor road.
Yes.
When they go Esako East, Esako West, Esako Central, Akoko Edo, Onwa East, Onwa West, where governor pass reach there?
Now me they tell say pass through Ifon.
Okay, if he pass through Ifon, he not go reach where they go.
He reach.
He not go reach.
He go reach.
So why he can't be say he not go about festival and road na kosa? I better go Agbor road. Maybe see you they make me the
No.
You know, see. I sit down here today. I make everybody make it clear to everybody. This is not programmed to win short government or anybody. I sit down here today. Mr. Governor, they try for Edo State. And I believe in one area. Now people they see. Till Life Media Communications will be TMC TV radio. We go begin help the governor. Because in media aids, they know they reach the area where never work. Because say in 2016, this station, they gidigba behind the governor to make sure say governor win to become governor. And we believe in his ideas. We not go fold our hands say because say we dey close to government or dey close to governor. We not we not help her go bring the truth from the streets. You know if he finish well. So TMC TV radio now to stand with Mr. Governor, not to be high service follow Mr. Governor or the government, not to carry a concern go area where never work reach. Because we don't want to say when we campaign in 2016. We make people understand, say, Governor Godwin Obaseki way day to day, go work more than Oshomole. And what Oshomole, they talk to the people, say, vote for him. I know his capacity. He was the AG room of my government, or is the AG room of my government. If AG spoil for motor, body when he find the carry motor, they go.
You know they move again.
Yeah, thank you. So, when we carry that slogan, we take a campaign for Godwin Obaseki, say, continuity. Then Oshomole of Governor State not say make Godwin work like her. He said make it work pass him. A year few months now remain. We when you understand government and politics, we dey look at 3-4 months now remain. Because if timetable come out either September or October, now then the big fight start. Now small one start so. Now the big one start. If Mr. Governor not remember some areas who go they help and they break come out.
Yes.
Because all those psychopaths where they run there go say, you know, see TFC, they want begin the, if you like say they know they work for opposition. I work for everybody.
Not be opposition.
TFC work for everybody. But area where be say Mr. Governor, media aides and commissioners. When I see Agbor Road, it be like say commissioners, any of the commissioners when they pass that road. When I see Auntie Road, it be like say majority of the commissioners when they pass that road. Because all of them is enough for ESCO. Why they not say, oh God, sir, I have something to stay. This road is bad. If we don't do this road, it's a shame on me. My people that nominated me from a political party to represent a local government in your council will not be happy with me. They're not fit talking.
Not fit now.
It is a governor. May God let her return as commissioner. He dare ESCO when he go to serve as commissioner. I not tell the governor the truth.
He could tell her.
I believe say the rest were there with him. The commissioners, everybody were there and fit tell her the truth. Say, okay, we should stop painting Ring Road, Sapele Road, GROA. Just be playing in one areas. We are trying in all the links roads. We are trying in some communities. Governor, they try well now. Not be Ute. Now we dey go on Monday.
Yes, now tell the
Now we dey go on Monday.
Yes, with the car go there.
When we reach Teboga yesterday, they will not say they do gutter they come from Obayi.
Yes.
They don't come out for permission.
Yes.
That is development. Are you getting me?
Yes.
So if we no fit tell governor say you will finish well, and we see bad thing, we not talk am.
You know finish well.
What be our slogan here?
As we see am,
That's so we dey talk am. We dey carry blame.
We not dey carry blame.
Carry on for Agbor Road.
This Agbor Road now, we go hear wetin people when they dey the area for the Agbor Road, wetin they come use their mouth they talk for the road.
Because they talk to our Tori people.
Yes.
Make them tell us wetin they do the experience
Yes, for the road.
My sister, the road don't come out for be careful. I know say Governor Obaseki they try actually. But he don't do well for Edo State. But Umai don't tell him say send me a WhatsApp message and I will approve it for you. So I beg, with the beg Obaseki, I beg. Try send that WhatsApp message to Umai so that I go approve am for you. May he fix our road for us. We know say you don't try, your Obaseki you too much or you don't do well for us. I beg. Help us fix all this road for us. I beg. Now we want from you. I beg. Before you come out, I beg. See, I'm now. I don't dey in almost 4 hours. I dey now since 11 o'clock in the morning. And what says the time now? Is it not 2 o'clock? I be 3 o'clock. We never see come out. We see day here, close to bypass. Agbor Road bypass. Not so they call this place. I beg. Muna help us. I beg.
Pobai would they stay so? The hungry 1 kilo road not good. If you would they go Pobai market, 500 go, 1,000 come back. No road to come back. This small business what we see they do. We know they see they buy. We know they ask see they ask us so now they say I be not they buy. You know they hungry 1 kilo no road. If you ready for, we know they see where they come out. I beg, men I call help us. Now beg day. Agbor Road. Now no good Agbor Road from Agbor Park go reach Okwahe. 2 sisters no good. Men I call help us. Men I come out us for suffer. I beg. We take God beg good. Men I call help us. So we dey beg. Go make hungry not kill us. We know they see where they pass, they go market, go buy food, eat. We know they see where they come back. If they go Rama 500, we they come back 1,000. I bet me not come help us. Road not they be near, give me not come help us. A whole day, they will go market 6 o'clock, they'll enter at 6 o'clock. A whole full day, they will spend that. Me not come help us. We don't they feel couple. We'll come out now where they say hold up, where they hold up around that kind 7:30 before they go to school. They'll come be around that kind after 9. I bet me not come help us.
This road where we dey pass we dey see every day. Na big suffer we dey for this road. Even big trailer. I just dey pity for all those people wey get business wey be say their truck dey fall for this road. About how many truck fall within last week to this week? Almost 4 trucks fall, and all their goods. Na so I just dey feel for government. Abeg, make na come feel for these people also. These people dey struggle to survive. Make dem find food chop too. And in this scenario, the state government will call on you, the federal government will still dey call on you. Make na come to our aid, because this road as e dey like this, e don bad well. Make na still find something. Pity for the citizens. We wey dey this country, make na pity for us. At least make we too dey survive. Una dey collect big money, una dey okay with that. This small one too, we come dey spend am for transportation every day. From here to this place, they say 500 naira. And it not be the 500 naira. Maybe even be the problem. For you to even read that, 1 hour now, they spend almost 5 hours for the road. May not come to our aid.
My brother, you see what we see for television?
Waiting my eye see.
You see what we see? You see what we see?
You see people moto.
You see what we see? You hear what that woman talk just now? Imagine the woman will be say, our camera no even carry waka go me say you take her from long distance.
He just set
the
camera.
Woman they cry.
She just set camera. Now she start to the
She woman they cry. Imagine what those men they talk just now say television they come here since they know they do anything. Make una know they record us again. You can imagine the level where we don't reach.
Meaning say they don't give up for the road.
They just give up. They give up for publicity. They give up for government.
The hole when he did the road, I not be engineer, but if you look at me, it don't reach 2 feet.
Imagine, you see, you get one place on a camera catch just now. You see where the height of the quota.
Yes.
You see the way it fail. You see where it expire.
It don't expire.
It don't expire. You see the truck where it die for inside just now.
And you see I say that they dig.
They cut the ground where they want to put stone I go take the truck, go take come out.
And their own nana made that truck come out. Now they
See Sienna, when you overtake, come. He reach one place, he hook. You see what Sienna do for inside there. You see what trailers they do for inside there. You see the way motor they pass inside water, they come out. You see this ticket.
Motor don't
They come. You see why we still talk about ticketing. You see ticketing matter. You see ticket all those combi, all those moto.
Yes.
Where they park combi so where don't turn virus. You see the way that they pass.
All those mini bus.
You see the way that they pass inside water, and you go reach ring road. They'll say ticket.
You go pay ticket now. You go see pay chairman money for there.
Hey, my God. I dey watch this video so. I dey imagine waiting my mind they tell me. Now more can the communities where they inside that area. Owe.
Did there.
Ogbeson. He did there. Iguomo.
He did there.
Amufin.
He did there.
Okwae.
He did there.
Ihwen.
He did there.
Wait, I beg.
Six.
No, the one where we just. I don't want to go
six.
bypass.
Now 6 with your
I don't want to go Okeze.
Now 6 with your council.
I don't want to go Okeze. I never want to enter the bypass stop.
No, now 6 with your
I
council.
don't want to go Aduhan.
No, never reach that side.
You see,
no
listen.
first settle Benin. First settle inside the.
Now, local government. Now, you see what they happen now. Once you reach river, Boba River, now there was 7 for Redo for end by Ewaro Junction.
Okay.
I want count for you because when they do delineation for Edo State, I tafia followed at that time, so I know where boundaries they. You do laugh.
I need to.
You get one place where they call War 2 for Bobaka. Now they call Iwogma.
Yes, for
Bobaka there.
Yes.
Bobaka be that.
Yes.
Now, from there move till you reach Iguomo, like Bobaka local government.
Yes, Ward 3, Ward 4.
Ward 3, part of Ward 4 come out for the junction.
Yes, it come out.
But Ward 3, Ward 4 now do our side. We dey talk about that main road.
Yes, Ward 3 recorded that
Ward
side.
3, Ward 2. For Bobaka. From there, as you reach Iguomo, you don't enter Unwo there.
Another local government.
Now, we don't carry 3 local governments. We don't carry them together for one major road. And these 3 local governments, allocation, they go every month. And under state government, then they. Why would they deceive ourselves, say the road na federal road, not state road? Okay, now, you see, if I deviate, from Monday, we enter state road.
Yes. Yeah, on Monday.
From Monday,
we
go there, we will come and we will give people numbers.
Yes, so that
they reach us. Area where governor, because we want help governor now.
Yes, we not be criticized. We criticize. Where immediate team
the work reach.
Where they don't try reach.
We want help them stand down.
Because we want to make governor finish well.
He must finish well.
Yeah, and he go finish well.
Governor not they do anything half.
Even the schools for the Agbor Road, they don't need, say before they say school gate close by 7:30. But now they're not fit doing again. Even the teacher when they come, when he or she they come, he not go able to reach school 7:30.
Wait, they want it not let Joanne hear that way they talk.
Which road did they want to see pass?
Joanne don't talk and one day say in the put school for 9:30, maybe they resume.
That one na paper na math, that one. No, she never put her.
I believe in official issues. I not just the carry the talk. Joanne don't tell you say government school for along Agbor Road resumes 9:30.
No, she never talk.
But not be
when they wanted the school.
See, now private school now you they talk so.
You know they see government students when they go school around. They not they stay that Agbor Road. Some from that Agbor Road they go. Some they go Western Boys. Some they go Queen Ede. Some they go Beson. Some they go Ove.
Oh, you want to tell me now say Western Boys now say that they resume school 9:30 for money?
Now the road the student not see pass now.
They don't write and we will go there.
Okay, as we dey look this video, so you don't see the comrade bus say he dey hold up the free bus when they carry people.
See,
when that one want to reach where he dey go.
Now government want to be that one.
Okay, the private when
they only launched those buses.
Yes.
Now new buses so.
No, that one a comrade bus. That one no be.
Now represent governor go launch am.
Which administration buy that bus when you dey see so?
Okay, you know see the advert what they do with red buses.
Yes, now red buses that they do adverts. But now green buses they launch.
They don't want to put am for that road.
Where they want to put am?
I believe say na Brazilian buses now be those red buses. That comrade buses maybe not in that country, maybe not Taiwan, all those things. Now he supply them or China. So they get maybe they do them for gallop for now make you see that all those buses. The reason why me feel say Nehai go cut tape for that green buses. They no one put those ones for area where gallop day.
Okay, where gallop no day for this those
The gallop not there ring road.
only ring road. So it go from their Central Park for ring road reach Central Bank, then go turn come back.
Can you trek from Central Bank to upper junction for ring road?
When people take nowadays people they trek, so they trek from bypass to.
If you see where you condemn government, now there you still praise them.
No, see,
Wait till they talk now. Say buses where they launch.
Yes.
One of them we see them.
it did just and students dey inside.
Students they inside.
Okay, which time they want to go school?
Maybe if they let go school, they'll say that because road not good now. Not be say they put 9:30.
No, I know say they put night.
They not put. Joanna no go. Joanna person when I know for education, and they call her mother education.
Education
For
supposed go with better road.
How?
Who knows see road pass? I want to go school.
If see how they take create school where they your community now you they attend. I don't know why this can't change.
How many schools they Benin-Agbor? How many schools they from that Motekan from Agbor Park to bypass?
I'm of primary school day. Who are primary school day? Who are there along the road? You can track it.
You can
Who
check
they
it.
Benin depot can track with a quick come. And they go sell something for market first in the morning before I go to resume school before
So
8 o'clock.
many people call it trek now. Due to government failure, made the citizens come bear the consequences of government failure.
For this Agbor road, now government never fail. Now the road fail.
Government fail, road fail.
Now the road fail.
Who supposed do the road may no fail?
The road fail for rainy season.
Okay, see that Siana na indoor hook. See that Awudina indoor the fire help.
My brother, if you want face federal government, call federal government to come face the federal road
No, we they call on all the relevant
authority.
authorities. If na state go quick on help because not be federal government they stay this road.
Who they conduct local government election?
Na state government.
Now who they conduct local government election?
Na state government they
Who
conduct.
they conduct governorship election and senate and reps?
Na federal, which is INEC.
Okay,
INEC na independent body.
They
Na federal they
are
funded.
under national federal.
Yes.
Okay. This road will pass inside state.
It dey under state, national, federal.
Okay. Now, it get what happen for inside GRA one time for Benin. All federal properties, they on top of state land.
Yes.
And state government get control over
Your land.
their land. Mona beg God, Obaseki, state government. If na palliative or Edo Pipo, now Edo Pipo they pass the road well.
Now those people they use them.
See, may they go do road. See that bridge where deputy visit. As they come, it not reach 1 week before he and governor quarrel. Not be say they say they not the quarrel.
No, they're not the quarrel.
Deputy say if they are quarrel not before outside.
Yes.
That if they quarrel, they will set to his house. But here na say they don't pursue and come up for government house. I be say make I go interview the deputy. When I call, they not pick call. I say, may I go there? I call and say, from the gate, go inside. If you not stay, enter motor, you know, fee reach inside the office. So it be like say, there's some feeling. So as rain fall, the place bad well.
Copy poto.
So me don't know how deputy governor want to use there till after rainy season. So official duty now, deputy not go do am. Because deputy not go office, he not go work. They not say do government from your home. Not be COVID period. Go to your office and sign papers. Abi?
Yes.
So, Abi, they go, you know, when did they come from Ovia River? Few weeks later, Yawa gas.
Yeah.
We did so. So, it be like say state government have not the Ovia palliative.
No.
So, for state government to still go Ovia, no go, the Agbor road, make it try.
Yes, I beg.
Communities full that area. Make Oga governor, make it go help
those
our people first.
And
this video, election, I go personally drop am for Mr. Governor WhatsApp. I beg, make you watch am. Not be fight.
And adjust for the
now you own. We dey help am
to finish well.
To finish well, because to finish well,
it is very important.
It is very important. Make our governor make it try finish well. They make all the commissioners when the day government make they try they travel all these roads. So that when they return back the next day or the time they return back, their waste and their vehicle, the waste will go take treatment for hospital. Then their vehicles go still go mechanic workshop the way me they go there. And
No,
the way other,
they tell me say you know they drive again. Say you don't park motor now.
no, I know they go far. Not be say I know they drive.
Okay.
I know they go far.
Okay. What do you can tell people when he dey house when their road no good?
The small road owners say make una manage am. If una know say na to carry motor, una no know where to pass. Make una no worry. Make una park am. If dry season come, na no so hold up the day dry season well. Make una bring una motor come up. For this one, the roads when I see for Edo State, I no advise anybody to even drive this period because federal government not ready, state government is not ready.
But our number go dey the screen so that in case you get any road, state government road or federal government when e no good for your area, you just call the number. We go help government come touchlight the road. Then we go pass the information to Edo State government or the relevant authority so that Edo State go shine. E go what you come become what we dey call
Go better
shine,
again.
shine, bobo. We go appreciate everybody when he put hand for this wonderful production. You go just help me greet them.
Yeah, so make I first salute myself because I say if you want to start dance to go public, the house, now you go start them from. Make I thank myself for get chance to sit down here today to really talk about this Edo matter. My name still remain Ege. No sir, this man stand grigba behind the camera. His name is Sam and Sam. In the scenes, you know they fold the hands they walk. Ejo, popularly known as troublemaker for our studio here. She did behind. And our program, they come up in the next 30 minutes, what they call entertainment program. She did here since. And our Obanga brother will be the producer. That one, they behind the camera. What they call the other one? Ekata Ojezeli. The linear editor, the producer for this matter. And she supposed to be executive producer. You know where I did. Every other person they under me. So I say, make I still thank you for Naya Okweze. He go come up with sports any moment from now. But before then, make we give us more music. Make we not take jollificate. Play that our music, what they call lonely at the top. Because government is lonely at the top.
This government not lonely. They're not lonely.
You know the government, whether a federal government or state government. I said government lonely at the top.
Okay, government lonely at the top.
Government lonely at the top. Play it.